Today we're in our walk-in bird cage to visit our budgies. Thailand has over 800 species of birds. Lots of them come to visit me in my garden. And sometimes they'll pose for my camera. Getting a good picture of our garden birds is not an easy task, but every once in a while they cooperate. Thailand is a bird lover's paradise, from the forested mountains in the north to the dense jungles in the south, from the shores of the Andaman and Gulf of Thailand to the many inland waterways. Thailand has a variety of species that you can only find in the tropics. The Alexandrian parakeet lives up in the mountains of the national park right near our home. It's now quite rare, since so many of them have been captured for the pet trade. We're lucky that a few fly down into our garden each year. The difference between parakeets and parrots is that parrots are larger birds with very large beaks. They're also known for being able to mimic human speech. The magnificent hoopoe, with its stripes, crown, and long beak, has decided to make its nest under our roof. They destroyed our ceiling, but had lots of babies. This is one of them. The olive-backed sunbird is our smallest bird. It's Southeast Asia's answer to the American hummingbird. Hummingbirds differ in that they can hover while feeding on the nectar of flowers, while sunbirds need to perch on the flowers. They make their nests of leaves and spider webs. Here's the mama perched on the heliconia flower. From the smallest bird visitor to our largest, the open-billed stork came to perch on one of our trees. They're a large bird that travels in flocks, looking for, among other things, the snails that live in the rice fields and feed on the rice. Because of this, they're a favorite of the Thai rice farmers. This rare serpent eagle flew into our garden one day and perched in one of our large trees. I wondered why he came to us, as their main diet is snakes and other reptiles. We were glad to have him, but one day later he was gone. So were all the snakes, I guess. The cuckoo is a large predatory bird, much like a crow. They invade the nest of other birds and animals to feed their nestlings. They're the loudest bird in the garden, especially at night, with their spine-chilling calls. The spotted-necked dove is one of the two doves we have in our garden. The zebra dove is the smaller one, and the spotted-necked one is the larger one and the noisier one. The red-whiskered bulbul, our most populous bird in our garden, wakes me up with his call every morning. Here's some more birds that have come to visit us. Even if you don't have a garden like we do, just a walk around your neighborhood, your day will be brightened by the many bird species that you'll meet. For more information about the birds of Thailand, get yourself a really good bird guide. Now, the one I've been using for the past 50 years is called Bird Guide of Thailand by Dr. Boonson Lekakun and Edward W. Cronin.